Huawei is now pretty much stable. The company is rapidly working on a lot of different things, one of which is to introduce the most awaiting phone of the year, which represents the photography power of the Huawei phones. Yes, I'm talking about none other than the flagship P series. Well, the launch of the upcoming Huawei P70 series is very much near. It could launch in the very end of the March, but we haven't seen any certain leak regarding the phone. But don't worry, I've got your back. So first of all, how the smartphone gonna look like? Well, a well-known leakster has posted these drawings of the phones. The first one is the regular P70, the second one is the P70 Pro, and the third one is the P70 Art Edition. Well, the Art Edition looks way different and futuristic. Here is the concept render of the phone. Although I am not a huge fan of this kind of design, but there are a lot of people who likes this kind of camera modules. Here is the real life image of the phone, which I guess someone took using a 2 megapixel phone's camera because it's way blurry. Anyway, both the P70 and the P70 Pro will look a lot similar to the P60 series. Moving on to the specifications, the Huawei P70 series are once again ready to have 5G. You know, the P60 series doesn't have the support of 5G, but according to the latest report from Detail Chat Station, the entire P70 series will come standard with the current processor with 5G, which is the highlighting of the Huawei's continuous development of cutting-edge technology even in the trade restrictions. However, leaks further suggest that there may be variations in chip frequency between the standard and the Pro versions of the P70 series. And alongside the return of the current 5G chip, all models in the P70s are rumored to feature high-density battery cells, wireless charging capabilities, and a robust camera setup, including a 50 megapixel super outsole main camera and a 4x periscope telephoto lens. Speaking of the cameras, the P70 series was previously rumored to come with the 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor with variable aperture support. But for the time being, nothing is confirmed. And in terms of the display though, the P70 series is set to impress with screen sizes ranging from approximately 6.58 inches to 6.8 inches, boasting a resolution of 1.5K and support for the LTPO technology. While this display offers dynamic refresh rate adjustment and reduced power consumptions, ensuring an immersive viewing experience without compromising on battery life. So overall, the P70 series of phones will be really good. But guys, I am only excited for the cameras, not for the display, because these Huawei phones represents the photography power, and now that Huawei is pretty much stable in every segment, I hope its cameras will give a good competition to the Samsung's Galaxy S24 and the iPhone 16 series. So if you want to know more about the phone, make sure to hit the subscribe button because as always, I will keep you posted regarding this. So yeah, what do you think? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.